Hi, it's Brian St.Clair with 6th Avenue Homes in Fort Worth, Texas. I've got a new listing coming on the market, 13332 Austin Stone in Haslet. Take a look around. From the entry, you have access to a downstairs guest bedroom and full bathroom. With the laundry room and mud room right beside the garage. The formal dining room is connected to the kitchen and has a great view of the backyard, the breakfast nook, and this large living room with a wood-burning fireplace. Here's another view from the breakfast nook of the kitchen, dining room, living room, stairwell, and entry hallway. Located just off of the living room, the primary bedroom is a fantastic size with 2 windows that overlook the backyard, and an ensuite bath that features a garden tub, separate shower, and dual sinks. Upstairs, you have this wonderful game room, 2 full bedrooms, and a Hollywood bath. Which basically means dressing room here, and the tub and toilet are shared. This is bedroom number 4. The open concept main living area overlooks the generous backyard. Wood fence, open patio, and plenty of room for your family to stretch out, play ball, or jump on a trampoline. 13332 Austin Stone will be coming on the market soon. Don't miss your chance to see it. This is Brian St. Clair with 6th Avenue Homes. Bye for now.